If you love the wildlife, you need to hear this. Some incredible animals are on the brink of extinction. Let's talk about 5 endemic species that are hanging by a thread. First up, the Vaquita. This tiny porpoise from Mexico's Gulf is the world's rarest marine mammal, less than 10 left. Let that sink in. Next, the Sumatran Rhino. Found only in Indonesia, there are fewer than 80 of these two-horned beauties left. They need our help. Third, the Kakapo. This flightless parrot from New Zealand is down to around 200 individuals. They're quirky, but critically endangered. Fourth, the Sumatran Rhino. Living in Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National Park, there are only about 75 of these elusive giants left. They're almost mythical. Finally, the Amur leopard. With fewer than 100 left in Russia's Far East, this big cat is one poach away from disappearing. These animals need our voice. Share this video if you care about saving our planet's unique creatures. Every share counts. Stay wild, folks. Subscribe for more wildlife wonders and ways to make a difference.